First and foremost, you should realize that beard growth requires much time and effort. Although some men prefer a clean-shaven face and don't bother themselves too much with the additional nuisance of beard care, and that's perfectly fine. However, if you want to grow a beard, be warned, the answer isn't just to let nature take its course and let it grow out naturally and uncontrollably. 90% of the time that never works out. You'll end up looking like someone who hasn't showered in 3 months and clearly lacks the ability to take care of themselves. Okay, yes, growing it requires patience, but it also requires grooming, trimming, and other additional steps that I'll be talking about here today, as well as giving you a bunch of tips to finally achieve the beard you've been looking for. Whether you want a full bushy beard, a medium beard length like mine, or just a regular stubble, with that said, let's get into it. You should note that even though you may have patchy facial hair, it's still possible to grow out a beard given some additional steps. And the reason for this is most likely genetics, so you should take some time and let your facial hair grow out for a while to understand how your body works. Make sure you look at your parents, just because if your dad can grow a beard, then it's most likely that you will be able to grow one out too. While growing a beard, you should always keep in mind the end goal of what kind of style you want to be rocking and adjust everything based on that particular look. You should keep in mind that every beard style fits different personalities, so dedicate some time for choosing the most suitable style for you. If you're still not sure, you can always ask for another person's opinion, like a friend, a relative, or you could get the opinion of a barber. But before you do, remember that not every barber is necessarily a professional. I personally believe it's crucial to entrust your precious to someone who has the experience that goes for all stages of beard growth. A professional chooses the most appropriate style according to your facial structure, and after, when your beard reaches the needed length, trims and shapes it accordingly. If you still have absolutely no desire to entrust your beard style decision to anybody, there is another way. Download a beard app and try different variations on your face to get a rough idea of what you're working with. I know it may sound silly, but it is the easiest way to help you visualize what may suit you. I know plenty of barbershops that do the same. First thing that a lot of guys don't know is that exfoliating and regularly washing your face, regardless if you have a beard yet or not, will help your facial hair grow out faster. And the reason that this helps is it gets rid of dead skin cells and opens up the pores to allow the hairs to grow out faster, as well as help get rid of ingrown hairs. Also, I feel like I have to mention this because there is a long-standing myth about beards and hair that the more you shave, the thicker and faster your hair will grow back. And that is simply not true. Do not shave, do not trim too much. There is no scientific evidence to back this up. All trimming your beard will do is be very detrimental to your morale in the long run, because although your beard will continue to grow, you will have no visual cues as to how much progress you've made, because you're simply not giving your beard enough time to mature. Also, use beard oil. For the love of God, I cannot say this enough. It has a lot of benefits, including the fact that it helps nourish the hair and the skin. It keeps your face and beard from drying out and helps with itching. This is a mistake that I made for 2 years because I thought it wasn't worth the time and effort. Don't be like me. Don't be afraid to use products. Don't think that you're just gonna grow a beard and it's gonna be majestic as hell. You gotta work with it. Be mindful of your diet. Make sure it's heavy on protein and BCAAs, vegetables containing biotin and vitamin A, fish oils, and all that. Being nutritionally deficient in these will most definitely slow down hair growth. There is a ton of science to back this up, guys, so trust me when I say this. Having your diet on point will help your body produce the things that you need, not only to grow a beard, but to help your hair grow faster and healthier everywhere. Okay, let's say you gave it 3 months, followed all the steps, and don't have the full thick beard, and it just isn't working out for you due to either bad genetics, hormonal imbalances, or deficiencies. Then I can recommend something that isn't really natural, but something that can definitely help you achieve the beard that you've been looking for. And this option, my friends, is Minoxidil, and it is often used as a hair growth treatment. It is essentially the main ingredient in hair growth products like Rogaine and every other big name brand out there. Minoxidil works by expanding blood vessels and increasing blood circulation, stimulating the hair follicles to grow fuller, and to be a bit more precise, it stimulates dormant hair follicles and forces them to grow. There are countless studies done on Minoxidil for beard growth that have shown tremendous results. I think is a great alternative if you truly believe that filling out those patches and having dense facial hair will give you the confidence boost that you need. Do some research on it. You can check out our video on minoxidil for beard growth for a more extensive breakdown on the scientific reasons as to why it works, its side effect profile, and everything else you need to know. Anyways, that is all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. It really helps us out. If you're looking for more information regarding hair growth, beard care, beard grooming, and anything in between, you can check out our website, HAIRGC. It'll be the first link in the description box. My name is Gio, and I'll see you next time.